Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to make bolts in SolidWorks. So let's begin. At first click here, double click on part, and from here go to sketch and click on sketch again, and from the three planes select right plane. Okay, now select polygon and select the polygon. From here select the side 6. Now go to smart dimension and take the dimension of this circle is 14 mm. Okay, now go to features, click on extruded boss or base. Now take this one 5 mm height. Okay, now click here, click on spacebar and click here. Now go to sketch again, select the circle and draw a circle and take radius up to this line. Okay, now go to features. Okay, click here. Okay, now click on extruded cut. Okay, click on extruded cut. Okay, okay, let's go back. Click here, click on spacebar, click here. Now select a circle and draw a circle. Okay, now go to features, click on extruded cut and just click here, flip side to cut. Now select here and this one take the radius 60. Click on OK. The taper size. Now click here, click on spacebar and click here. Now go to sketch, select circle and draw a circle here. Okay, put a smart dimension and take the diameter just 8 mm. Okay, now go to features, select extruded boss or base and take this one 50 mm. Okay, click here, click on spacebar and click here. Now go to sketch, select circle and draw a circle. Not circle, you don't need circle, we can use another formula. Now go to features. Okay, click here, select chamfer and from here select one and select this value 45 angle and click here. Okay, now click here, click on spacebar and click here. Now go to sketch, select circle and draw a circle up to this line. Okay. Now go to features. From here select helix and spiral and take the height 40 mm, revolution 25 and starting angle 0, and from here select height and revolution. Okay. Now select top plane, click on spacebar and click here. Okay, not top plane. Select front plane, click here, click on spacebar. Okay, not front. To change the plane actually. Right plane, click here, click on spacebar and click here. Now select polygon, select the side 3 and this angle select 270. Now at this point, okay, select a polygon. Okay. Now smart dimension and take this diameter 1.4. Okay. Now go to features. Okay, click here. Now select sweep cut and select this one. Okay. So you can see that our bolt is ready. Now hide this one. Okay. Now let's apply the material. Right button click, edit material, go to iron, select gray cast iron, apply, close, and from here select rooftop. Now edit appearance, apply this one. Okay, so now we can say that our bolt is ready. So friends, if you think this video is useful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos, and if you have any question you can ask this in the comment box. Thank you.